Hello my beautiful friends, welcome to Sorvi Shining Life. How are you all? Hope doing good. Well, my today's video is about a face serum that has been launched recently and people are getting crazy about it, really. So the name of the serum is hyaluronic acid serum. You can just have a look. Hyaluronic acid serum. What hyaluronic acid is? Hyaluronic acid is a substance that is present in human body naturally, therefore it is humectant and is hygroscopic in nature. That means it is capable of drawing moisture from the environment and locking it into our skin, thus making our skin hydrated, softer, smoother and radiantly glowing. It also reduces fine lines and wrinkles, therefore you can say it is anti-aging serum. And the unique character about this serum is that it can hold moisture 1,000 times than its own weight. Can you imagine how hydrating this serum is? So its application is very simple. Just simply cleanse your face and neck with face wash and just let it air dry. And before its application, again spray water on your face and neck and take 4 to 5 drops of serum on your palm or directly on your skin, and with the help of circular motion just spread it all over your face and neck. And once it has been very well spread all over face and neck, just with the help of your palm just push the product inside all over your face, neck and everywhere, so that the serum gets assimilated into the deeper layer of skin. And after the wait for 10-15 seconds and then follow up with your regular moisturizer, whatever moisturizer you use, just apply that on top of it. But if you live in a very dry climate to super dry climate to desert area where moisture is least present in the air, it is going to reverse on your face, because since being hygroscopic in nature, it cannot find moisture in air, so it will pull out moisture from your skin. This will end up in drying your skin out. So, and you will not be getting the result, and the skin will be dehydrated and dry. So in that case, well, there is solution to it also. After you have applied the serum, again spray water all over your face and neck on top of this serum, and wait for a minute and then just follow up with your regular moisturizer, whatever moisturizer you use, just follow it on top of it. So this is how it will prevent your skin to get dry or dehydrated. And its regular use, makes skin feel softer and dewy and very hydrated. So when I heard about this product, I also bought it and I've been using it since a month, and I feel my skin to be hydrated, softer and plump like never before, really. So let's jump into its application footage and see how it is applied. I washed my face with face wash and I just air dried it, so there is nothing on my face. You can see it's clean and clear. Now I am going to show how to apply this serum on face. So since my face is clean, so I'm going to just spray water. You can use tap water or whatever. I'm going to use this water mist all over face. Just shake the bottle nicely and spray all over your face and neck. That's it. It's well hydrated, and one pump of this water on hand also, and just wait for 10 seconds so that it gets a little drier. Now I take 4 to 5 drops of serum on your palm or directly on your skin. I'm going to take it on palm because I'm comfortable using it this way, and just having 4 drops would be enough. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 4 drops would be enough. And with the help of finger, I'm going to spread it all over face, under eye, very necessary because fine lines and wrinkles are visible in this part first. My hair is always disturbing. Neck, never ever to forget your neck, because this region also needs hydration. Under eye, and well, you have to make sure that it is, that's it. It is well, I have sprayed all over, I put it all over face. Now with the help of 2 fingers, I'm just going to mix it well all over face in circular motion. Neck region also, Be sure that it is very well mixed. And since I feel that this product is very well spread over face and neck, I've just with the help of Pam just got to push this serum deep into skin so that it goes deep into skin. So just push the product all over your face and definitely neck so that it goes into deeper layer of your skin. Everywhere, far end of your, push it nicely. Yeah, that's it. But if you are living in a very dry area, after its application, again you have to spray this face mist or any face all over your face and neck, and then you have to apply your regular moisturizer. But since I am not living in desert, so I'm not going to apply, I'm not going to spray this mist again. Now I'm going to follow with my regular moisturizer. So I use aloe vera gel that really actually suits me. So I'm going to take a drop of it and I will just apply, because this is my regular moisturizer. Yes, you can see this much would be enough. Yeah, again the same pattern, dot 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 all over face and neck, everywhere, under eye definitely, far end of your face. Oops, my hair is always, So okay, my product is over. Now with the help of 2 fingers in circular motion, I'm going to mix my regular moisturizer so that my serum gets completely locked in and it works as it is expected. Very nicely mixed up all. Yeah, so that's it. This is the way you have to apply serum, and repeat this process twice. So this is all done. Hope you like my video. If you like my video, do like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that when I come up with my next video, you get the notification of it. And also feel free to give your comments if you applied this way. How was it? What was its effect and how did you like it? And once again, I would like to thank you all very much for giving your precious time to watch my video. Really, it's very motivating. Thank you so much for this. That's all for today. I hope to see you all very soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye. Love you guys. Bye bye.